So I'm Dr. Jonathan Runion. I grew up in Findlay, Ohio, which is a suburb of Toledo, kind of northern part of Ohio. Grew up my whole life playing sports, centered pretty much everything I did around sports and athletics, team environment. Really enjoyed always being around people, and that has followed me my whole life, and it really led me into the field of dentistry because it's such a patient-centered career. Everything I do is involved with people, not only my team and organizing the processes that we do, but also all of our patients and be able to serve them and seeing their whole life change and develop right in front of us. My passion for dentistry started very early because I just liked to serve people and be around people. And then I had a scientific kind of nerdy side to me because my mom was a high school chemistry teacher, so had a lot of science, had a lot of that growing up. And obviously with medicine and dentistry, there's a huge part of that in what we do all day, every day. So dentistry was a path that really made sense for me. And then as I got into the training and got into school and saw all the different avenues that dentistry offered, my passion for dental implants and reconstructive surgeries really hit me hard, I would say almost first few months of dental school, where I was seeing what those clinicians were able to do and how they were able to help people and change their lives. So almost within a few years of starting dental school, I knew what my path was going to be, and it's been such a strong desire of mine to be able to provide those services, and the training and everything that I have gone through to be able to do that has been wonderful. I've enjoyed every step of it, and it's still part of something I do every day with the training and learning to be able to do this. So very early on in my career, I had a patient experience that really told me, that really solidified that I had chosen the right career. And that was a young female that had come in because she had some toothache, had a toothache. And she was very self-conscious and very nervous about the dentist. I spent quite a bit of time with her, just talking with her before we ever even started any type of x-rays or exam or anything. And unfortunately, she had a much more severe problem with actually a cancerous tumor in her neck. But because I was able to establish a relationship with her and really get her over that hump of nervousness, we were able to not only solve her dental problems, but get her in the right hands to get her bigger problem taken care of. And I'll remember her in that experience forever because it solidified that the patient comes first, and creating that relationship and establishing that was such a critical part because that had been missed previously, the relationship part, and that didn't allow her to get the proper care that she needed because she had been so nervous. So that experience is something that happened very early, and I'll never forget it, and it's something I use every day when I'm treating patients. So my goal for spending this time and creating this content is for everybody to really see that dentists and the dental profession are a bunch of human beings that have emotions, that have feelings, that have been through a tremendous amount of training to be able to provide services, and there's so much passion behind it. There's so much energy. There's so much commitment from our end to be able to change lives through the avenue of dentistry. And I think being able to hang out with me during this little time where I'm talking into the camera, I think will help people understand that dentists in the field of dentistry are full of people that love and care for their patients, and that even though the dental experience is not fun, I mean, I think everybody can sort of agree to that, but we're here to educate. We're here to provide treatment that is going to make people better, make people healthier, and bring back confidence. And I think if you get to know the human behind all of that, I think it'll help everybody understand dentistry and the benefits that it can have for your health, and to not be afraid of it, but to embrace it and to go get the help that's needed for those that might not be doing that. So if you guys want to hear any specific information, any kind of topic that you want to hear, like, subscribe, comment below, and I'll certainly try to respond to that type of request. That'll help me as well to know what you guys want to hear, and I can provide that for you. So thank you.